Hello, beautiful friends. I'm sitting here on my side porch today, and we need to get it decorated for fall. A friendly competition on our porch decors. It's just to show you guys how I would decorate and how she would decorate. Two very different ways of doing it, and we just thought we would show a little bit of a different perspective. So come along with us today while we decorate our porches. Beautiful yellow mom. But I'm going to use my little pots to lift it in this container. I'm going to switch out this little pot for this little container. There's some flowers in it. Voila! And then flip this so that when you come through, you have pretty side showing. And then while it's still loose, flip this again, maybe, and flip that. Just that easy. Very simple, just a little bit of flowers. Hey guys, I have this beautiful sign that I usually use every year. And I usually keep the little planter thing here too all the time. And I just kind of set the sign like so. Just like that. I'm gonna do the bench with some pillows and a throw. And look at this cute little pillow cover I got at Hobby Lobby. They're 40% off right now, so I think it was like around $8, $9. And what I do is I just keep reusing pillows. So this will have fall on it, and then I can take it out and use it for Christmas. So if you have old pillows that you don't love, don't throw them away, because we can use them over and over and over. And this is the tricky part, getting it in there. That is so cute. Okay, so you know we need a throw. So fold it in two, then fold a little over. So you have a double fringe here, fringe at the bottom, over the corner. Put your pillow. How's that look? Okay, so my theme is a little orange and blue. I feel like we need a little orange mum. And I'll get some dirt to pack in around that. Okay, I'm going to add a little mum, and I'm going to fuss up the spot right here. Okay guys, remember when we planted up these little clay pots the other day? I want to change my lavender, and I'm going to plant this lavender in the ground. And choose that out. Okay, now we need a few pumpkins, you guys. Okay, I have this little sign that I just want to sort of tuck, maybe there. A little gnome guy. and a pumpkin. I think I'm all done, so I'm gonna do a little tour of everything we did, get some close-up shots. Well, my goodness, how fun was that, you guys? And I cannot wait to see Nikki's version of her porch, so stay tuned for that.
Good afternoon, beautiful friends. I am going to take on the challenge-ish of redoing my porch. I'm going to replace the fake flowers I have right now from summer and put in some new fall stuff. Some mums, some decor. I'm gonna see how it goes. I've gotta do some cleaning. I'm gonna spray off the porch, take everything off, and then get started. So stick with me. Cheers. Okay, it's hosed off, wiped down, still a little damp. It doesn't get a lot of sun over here ever, so it's going to take a minute to dry, but it's pretty dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start putting some stuff back on it and transferring out and turning it into fall. Woohoo! I use these. I saw this on something. Put these in your pot, the vines will stick down in them real easily, and it worked great. Yellow and white mum fit. I dropped it in that pot that had the fake flowers in it. Gonna switch out this other pot that has fake flowers in it. Okay, so I've had these lanterns for years. They have moved all around my house. This time I'm gonna put pumpkins down in them. I finished filling up the lanterns with the pumpkins, and I added a white pumpkin under the mum on the right. And I added a little lantern with a small pumpkin in it over here on the left side, black lantern. And I also put my little treat basket that I started at Christmas. I was inspired by my sister to leave treats out for the delivery people or anybody that comes to my door. So I'll zoom in on that. It has a note that says, "Thanks for all you do. Please enjoy a treat." I'm gonna fill that up with fall snacks. I'm gonna replace what's in this planter with some kale inspired by Lynette and a mum. I'm gonna add one more mum in that pot. They gave me a free mum at Lowe's, so I'm gonna add that in because there's space in there, and then I'll come back and fill it with a little more dirt and give it a little gulp of water. Okay, the wreath is on the door. I have just a base wreath, and then what I normally do is take different picks and stick it in there depending on my theme. So I'm gonna try a few things out and see how it goes. I'm gonna take out the ones I have because I'm kind of wanting a little more of add some other colors, some blues and maroons in there. So I'm gonna take out the pumpkins I have in there and replace with what I have. It's a work in progress. We'll see how it goes. Like Lynette always said, you never know, you gotta try it. I played around with that wreath for a long time. I think I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, got some last finishing touches. Gonna put some fall snacks in for the delivery people. Some footballs, some cakes, and some pumpkins. Pumpkins on the steps. My little metal pumpkin over here with a mum on the ground. I am going to finish up. I'll do a little tour, some zoom ins, and I hope you enjoy. And I hope You go out and find your passion, whatever that may be. If it's fall passion today, let's go fall. Thanks.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today for our front porch makeovers. And remember, I hope this inspires you guys to go find your passion and go find a pumpkin.
Please join us on Friday for our next video as we continue to go fall crazy. We're going to do the front of the house. And please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our content. Thanks.